First, I chose 16GB of DDR4 RAM at 3200 MHz, which will be enough for playing games and multitasking. The speed will be enough for Ryzen as well. This Corsair Vengeance RAM also has XMP 2.0, so it will overclock where possible automatically. Next is a 500GB SATA SSD. 500GB is enough for quite a lot of large files, and the data transfer of an SSD is a big improvement over a hard disk drive. If in the future you are running low on storage, you could always buy another SSD or hard disk drive. The Ryzen 5 3600 will not bottleneck the 3060, which according to rumours has similar performance to an RTX 2080. The 3600 comes with a cooler and pre-applied thermal paste, so you don't need to buy either of those. The B450 motherboard supports Ryzen 3000 and has 4 slots allowing for future RAM upgrades. I know that the RTX 3060 supports PCI 4.0, but the bandwidth from PCI 3.0 can easily handle the RTX 3060, so if you wanted to upgrade for in future generations of graphics cards, I guess a B550 would help. Then the case is a Corsair Spec 05, and it only comes with one fan, so if you wanted better airflow, you'll probably want to buy more than one of those fans, and I'll link to that in the description. The VS650 is an affordable power supply which will be able to handle the rumoured TDP of 180 watts for the 3060. It has a 80 plus efficiency, but if you wanted a higher end power supply, then I'd recommend something with an 80 plus gold efficiency. Then according to Tech Radar, the RTX 3060 is going to cost £270, but I rounded it to 300. I wanted to make a different video this week with the Core 2 Quad, but I forgot to get a boot drive to benchmark the computer with, so I'll release the video in 1 to 2 weeks. Also, if you want more help with PCs, I've got a website, cheappcbuilder.co.uk, and a Fiverr account if you want personalised help. Links are in the description, and thank you for watching.